A 17-year-old charged Thursday in connection with a terror plot appeared before a Harris County judge this afternoon.
The DA says the teenager intended to carry out mass violence against innocent people in Harris County. Fox 26's Randy Wallace was in court. Randy, what more have you learned about this case?
Yeah, Rushy, well, let me tell you the reason this is a state charge rather than a federal one. The 17-year-old alleged terrorist, because he's only 17, that's why it's a state charge. Now, if this teen is the first to be charged in Harris County with a felony offense of terrorism. Lay Shahzad actually smiled as the state laid out its case against him. The allegations are frightening. Investigators say Shahzad had a Facebook discussion with an incarcerated individual in the Philippines with ISIS ideals. The teen allegedly talked about being a martyr and being all over the news for what he had planned. Shahzad allegedly sent pictures of himself with a scarf around his head holding a Glock with a drum, claiming the 50-round drum magazine might not be enough ammunition for what he was planning. John Stevenson is the teen's court-appointed attorney.
Kids do stupid stuff all the time. I don't know enough of the facts right now to be able to say whether or not their beliefs are justified or not, if even what they said is true. So that's just kind of where we are.
This is the first time that this charge will be prosecuted in Harris County?
The first time I've seen it. So we'll see if it's survives constitutional muster or not. I had a brief opportunity to speak with him today, but obviously we haven't had a chance to dig into the facts or anything like that.
What was his demeanor, or how's he dealing?
I mean, he's a 17-year-old kid, you know, and he's obviously facing a very serious charge. So just like anybody else would be, scared and worried and all of those things that every kid would be.
Now, Shahzad is currently being held with no bond set. His next scheduled court date is March the 28th. If he does become the first in Harris County to be convicted of terrorism, he faces a maximum sentence of 15 years to life in prison. Reporting live from the courthouse, Randy Wallace, Fox 26 News.